everyone. Dire-diretso na lang kayo, kukuha lang kayo ng queuing number para mas smooth yung experience nyo. Free entrance fee, free entrance fee, free entrance fee, free entrance fee, free entrance fee. What's your favorite flower, please? Huh? Flower girl. Ay. Ano size? This is size 7. Large. Ang laki nga nyo sa akin eh. So, dapat medium lang. May hoodie pa. Madaming hoodie. Libo-libo po yung hoodie na nasa sample sale din. 700 plus iuuwi si CEO. Ikaw. Kung gusto mo. May freebies po ba? Buy one, take Gabi po. Pwede. Pwede. Walang karma pa yan. Walang karma. Sorry. Akala ko nasa normal akong mundo. May scarf po, yes. 20% off all items. Pati yung accessories. So, guys, lahat from Beanie Collection, check nyo na yung website. Tapos, maghanap na kayo ng mga gusto nyong unstable connection. Lag po ba? Lag, ay okay na. Sale din po ba? Okay guys, ito yung sale sa pop-up. So, may sample sale po kami. Up to 50% off. Tapos, from ay lahat ng Beanie collections to yung collections na ni-release natin this year, 20% off all items. Everything will be on sale. San yung link? Wala nang ticket. Free entrance na. So, pupunta na lang kayo dun sa pop-up. So, ayun. Kasama po ba yung off-campus bomber jacket? Guys, lahat 20% off. 20% off lahat. Saan po? Yung pop-up will be sa Studio SSE Pasay. Free entrance. Kumbaga parang nasa mall lang kayo. Punta lang kayong mall. Pero warehouse version. Release na ng playlist para makautang. Kailan yon? December 13 to 14. As in lahat ng collection. From Beanie collection to 2025 collection. 20% off everything. What time po start? 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wala nang entrance fee. Free for everyone. So, pupunta na lang kayo doon at mag-shop. Sa pop-up lang may sale. So, after ng pop-up, sa online wala na. Back to regular items. Kanina pa ako naghintay kung may link pa mabibili na shirt. Please click our profile here. Tapos nasa bio namin yung link kung saan pwede mag-order ng t-shirt. Nasa price list po ba ng mga sample sale? Magre-release rin kami ng price list sa sample sale items. So, magiging ano na lang siya, isang price na lang sa lahat. So, example for sa t-shirts, yun nga, sinabi niyong cute ako, from 800 magiging 700 pesos na lang lahat ng t-shirts. Kahit anong design na yon, kahit anong size, lahat ng t-shirts 700 pesos. Wala naman sa bio yung link. Guys, yung website po namin is charlottefolk.co. Yun. Pa-type na lang po. Ay, sorry, nagka-filter. Kailan yung sale po? December 13 to 14 sa Studio SSE Pasay. Hi, Ezra! Wala pong voucher code kasi all out na talaga lahat ng yung sale prices namin. Wala po sa Cebu. Sa store lang yung sale. Walang online. May workwear jacket. Sobrang dami ng workwear. Guys, thousands yung ano natin doon, yung stocks natin ng workwear. So, instead of 4,995, it's gonna be 3,996 na lang, to be exact. Lahat ng varsity jackets nandun din sa pop-up, 20% off everything. Workwear, small to 2XL available. Need pa ng ticket? No, no more. Hindi na need ng ticket, free entrance. Okay, sana pwede rin. Ano height nyo? I think I'm 5'5 or 5'6, I'm not sure. Wala po pop-up this week. Wala this week. Yung CEO... Ay! Sorry. Shucks. Sorry po. Okay, that's it. Cause, sorry guys, I need to pee. I need to go. Nag-church kasi ako, so buong maghapon ako nandito sa church. Walang sale po sa website. Sorry. Sa pop-up lang may sale. Summary please before you end. Okay. So, we're gonna have a pop-up event this December 13 to 14 sa Studio SSE Pasay. So, yung place, nasa Waze naman siya and nasa Google Maps. So, itatype nyo lang studio, tas tas double E, SSC. And then, all items from Beanie collection to 2025 collections will be at 20% off And then we're gonna have a sample sale as well, up to 50% off. And then, what else? Um, Magsa-start siya at 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then, hindi nyo na need mag-register. Free entrance. So, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is pumunta doon at kumuha ng queuing number and then line up. Then that's it. You just need to wait for your turn. Guys, as much as possible, sana maging smooth. So, um, yun, follow nyo lang yung mga nandun, yung simple lang naman. So, sa Studio SSE Pasay, 20% off all items. And then, yeah, 7 a.m. 10 p ay, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wala pong limit ng items. So, December 13 to 14, Saturday, Sunday. Sorry. Mode of payment, GCash and bank transfer only. Walang online sale. So, yung magaganap na sale sa pop-up lang mismo. So, after ng pop-up, pagbalik online, balik na to regular items. That's it. No credit cards, unfortunately. Saan po ulit yung pop-up sale? Studio SSC in Pasay. Need po ba mag-register? No. No need to register kasi free entrance na for everyone. Mag-release po ba kayo ng prices prior to the event? Yes, we're gonna release this week. Cash daw. No cash. So, GCash lang and bank transfer. Magkaka-free SF po ba? Not anymore. So, this December, yun lang yung magiging sale namin. Love your leather jacket. Thank you. Pwede po ba may kasama? Guys, as much as possible, mas maganda kung isama nyo yung buong barangay nyo para yung mga taong hindi pa kilala yung Charlotte folk, allow us na introduce namin yung sarili namin sa kanila, 'di ba? Para mas lumaki pa yung community. Seryoso po ako sa barangay. How much po leather jacket again? So, from 4,995, yung regular price nun is 4,995. So, sa pop-up, it's gonna be 3,996 na lang. 20% off. Okay lang po, kaya pa po ng pantog ko. Baka may mga tanong pa kayo. Sa pop-up po mismo, bawal cash. Yes, GCash lang po at bank transfer. Saan po yung pop-up? Studio SSE Pasay. You can search it sa Waze and sa Google Maps. Kailan po yun? Saan po yung pop-up? December 13 to 14 sa Studio SSE Pasay. GCash lang po tsaka online transfer. Can we say Pogi Cutie for 3,000? Huh? I love you 3,000? What's your bank, Miss CEO? BDO BPI. Magkano entrance? Free entrance po. Lahat po ng items available sa pop-up. No. So, yung from Bini collections lang up to ngayon, 2025 collections. Lahat yun 20% off. Yung stocks po ba same pa rin sa day 2? For the sample sale items, we will try to, allot ng sample sale stocks ng day 2 para fair. May registration po ba? Wala po. Pwede po debit card? No. Bank transfer lang po. Ako po pumunta from LRT. Oh my gosh, yun po ang hindi ako sigurado. Online bank transfer only, yes. GCash and bank transfer. For you po, ano po magandang collection? Yung nagsasalita, charot. Magandang collection for me, it depends on your vibe. Kasi, bawat collection, iba-iba yung atake. So, for me, if gusto mo mag-iba talaga yung dating mo, I would say the denim collection na i-release namin ngayong pop-up na 20% off din. Kasi, terno siya. It's gonna be available in 3 colors. So, may black, may blue, yung normal blue, and brown. Yun. San po yung pop-up? Studio SSE Pasay. Walk-in lang po ba? Yes. No need to register. No need to buy any tickets kasi wala naman ticket. Free entrance lang. Some platform po i-release. Sa lahat, for sure, i-upload namin yan. Yes. Guys, for sure, i-upload namin lahat ng items na magiging available sa pop-up and lahat ng price list. So, GL. How to order po? Oh my gosh, ganito pala feeling ng online seller, no? How to order? So, meron po kaming website, charlottefolk.co. Regular price po yun. Pero if gusto nyo ng may sale, punta po kayo sa pop-up, 20% off all items sa Studio SSE Pasay, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. GCash and online transfer only. Wala pong card payment. GCash and online transfer only. Para saan po yung ticket? Huwag nyo na po isipin yung ticket. Free entrance sa lahat. December 13 to 14 sa Studio SSE Pasay. Sample sale up to 50% off. All items will be 20%. Yung pantog ko, guys. Gusto kong magtubig kaso feeling ko pag itong maliit na tubig na to, alam nyo na. Yan, okay na. Ano pa, guys? Go lang, guys. Summary. Summary po. So, summary ha. So, we'll have a pop-up this December 13 to 14 sa Studio SSE Pasay. Pwede nyo po siya i-search sa Waze. Nandun naman siya. Tapos, sample sale items up to 50% off. Lahat ng t-shirts na samples from 800 pesos magiging 700 pesos na lang dahil sinabi niyong cute ako. Tapos, lahat ng regular items will be on sale for 20% off. And then, start ng pop-up 10 a.m. hanggang 7 p.m. Tapos, what else? May parking pero may pay parking sa tapat. So, kung ayaw nyo gumastos ng parking, pwedeng mag-commute kasi mas merong malapit lang na train station. So, ayun. Our theme is New York. Dahil i-release namin yung New York Fashion Week items doon for 20% off. And then, pagka tapos nung pop-up sa online, wala na. Back to regular price na. When po? December 13 to 14. May aircon. May aircon kasi first of all, nainitin po ako. Me, ano po yung hair color mo? Blonde. You have a website? Yes, charlottefolk.co. Wala na po registration at Tix. No need to register. Free tickets. Ay, free entrance na for all. Saan po yung link? Guys, no need to register. Amber and Christina, where's your band as well? Hi! Guys, no need to register. Free entrance na. Pupunta na lang kayo doon. Dire-diretso at kukuha lang kayo ng queuing number. That's it. Ano po system may itsura ng pop-up. So, ang gusto namin eksena ay parang nasa mall lang kayo at nagsha-shopping. Yun lang. Pero syempre, may iba-iba rin kaming pakulo. Kaya, di na need ng ticket guys. So, ang atake, diretso na lang kayo doon. Tapos, kuha lang kayo ng queuing number for the line. Para organized, 'di ba? Yes, mismong araw na. So, paunahan na lang kayo guys dun sa queuing number. Same po ba yung like whole itsura no? No, cause this time, nag-rent kami ng isang buong warehouse for the pop-up. So, it's gonna be very big. Kaya, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong stocks, sobrang dami. Libo-libo yung stocks natin kasi nga, para siyang warehouse sale talaga kasi malaki talaga yung place. So, hindi siya yung parang mall lang na, yung experience parang ganun. Papasok kayo, shopping, that's it. Pero yung place, malaki talaga. Do you have like a maximum people inside lang? We're gonna limit it up to at least 100 people lang inside. So, every time na may lalabas, may papapasok tayo sa line. Ganun. Namimigay ka Gcash, ma'am. So far, hindi pa naman po. Okay. I'm sorry guys, but I really need to pee. I need to go. Bye! Price range po for the pop-up. 20% off all items, tapos sample sale, 50% off. No credit card payments. So, Gcash lang and bank transfer. (10 a.m. to 7 p.m. po yung What sample sale? Sample sale, yun yung mga items na hindi nakapasa sa QC. So, sa Quezon City, sa quality control. So, for example, yun nga, merong mga isa print, hindi, may smudge lang ng konti, reject na yun agad. So, bebenta namin siya ng mas mura. Wala pong limit per person. Pwede po cash, no. Gcash and online transfer only. May sample sale na cups, yes. Madami ring sample sale na cups. Hi, Rex! Sorry I joined late. When is the pop-up? Studio SSE Pasay, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. December 13 to 14. Free entrance. Just need to go there. No need to register. Punta lang kayo dun, guys. Yun lang. Guys, umiihi na po ako ngayon. No need to worry. Okay na guys. Aray ko.